Hello everyone. Today we will discuss exercise 3.7 question number 9. Find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. We have already found that we have to find a number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. That means we have to find the LCM of the numbers 18, 24 and 32. Let us find the LCM first of all. Let us find the LCM of the numbers, that is least common multiple. We will find the LCM of the numbers, that is 18, 24 and 32. Let us find the LCM of the numbers 18, 24 and 32. Let us find the LCM of the numbers. It will be divisible by 2, that is 2 9 is 18, 2 9 is 18, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 6 2 is 12, that is 16 is 32. Again we will divide it by 2, that is 9 is not divisible, right? The 2 6 is 12 and 2 8 is 16. Again it will be divisible by 2, that is 2, 9 is not divisible, right? 2 3 is 6 and 2 4 is 8, right? Now here you see it will be divisible by 3 only, that is 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3 and it is 4, right? And 3 1 4 is only divisible by 1 only, by no other number, right? Therefore LCM of the number 18, 24 and 32 is LCM is, that the least common multiple we found is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 4, right? If you find the LCM, that is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8, 3 is 24, 24 into 3 4 is 12. We will multiply 24 by 12. We are getting 2 4 is 8 and 2 2 is 4, 4 1 is 4, 2 1 is 2, it is 8, it is 8, it is 8, 288, 288, 288. Now what we found that 288 is the least common multiple. That means 288 will be divisible by 18, 288 will be divisible by 24 and 288 will be divisible by 32. But we have to find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by these 18, 24 and 32. That means if we got a number and divide that number by 288, that number will also be divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Therefore, the smallest 4-digit number will take. What is the smallest 4-digit number? The smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number is, we know that smallest 4-digit number is 1000, right? Now if we divide 1000 by 288, what will get? 288. First of all, we divide it by 3, that is 288 into 3, what we are getting? 3 8 is 24, 3 is 24, 25, 26, 2, carry here 6, 3 6, 7, 8, 3 2 is 6, 7, 864. That is, it is 864. It is 864. That means here we got some remainder. It is not divisible, right? It is, what is the remainder? That is, and it is also a 864 is also a 3-digit number. We will find the next number, that is 288 into 4. What we are getting, you see, 4 is 32, 4 is 32 plus 3, 35, 3 carry, that is 5, 4 to 8, 19, 11, 1152, right? The next number, that is 288 into 4 is 1152, right? 1152. That means this is the least 4-digit number. This is the least 4-digit number which is divisible by 288, right? Therefore, and we cannot write 864 because 864 is a 3-digit number. Therefore, the smallest 4-digit number is 1152, which is also divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Right? Therefore, the answer is the smallest 4-digit number. The smallest, the answer is the smallest 4-digit number. The smallest 4-digit number is 1152, which is divisible by which is divisible by 18, 24, 24 and 32. Let us repeat, that is, find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. First of all, we have to find the LCM of the numbers. We find the LCM. LCM is 288. Now, LCM means least common multiple. That means 288 is also divisible by 18, it is divisible by 24 and it is also divisible by 32. If we take another number, which is divisible by 288, that number will also be divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Must we have to take the 4-digit number. The smallest 4-digit number is, we know that it is 1000. If we divide 1000 by 288 by 3, here 200, if 288 it is 3, we are getting 864, but it is not divisible and it is also a 3-digit number. Therefore, 288 into 4 is 1152. The next number, the 288 into 4 is 1152. This is a 4-digit number and it is also the smallest 4-digit number. Therefore, the smallest 4-digit number is 1152, which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32 and also by 288. Right? That means we get a number 1152, which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32 and also by the LCM of the number, that is 288 also. This is the solution of question number 9.